we're going to use sidechain compression on the bass. So it's going to listen to the kick drum. Here's the small loop of music without any compression. You can hear that the bass is quite strong, it's not moving out of the way. So to apply it, click on the bass, go to Audio Effects and select in the Dynamics menu a compressor. Then we're going to go over to the sidechain option and select the kick drum. This way the compressor is now going to listen to the kick drum. We're going to lower the threshold so it's activating with the kick, which we can see here. Now we're going to start increasing the ratio. And you can hear the bass is pumping. It's pretty much that simple. All we get to play with here now is the attack and the release. We want a quick attack, so it moves out of the way really quickly. And we want to make sure the release comes back in time to catch the next kick. You can see it in the graph here.